Okay, just arrived. It is 9:30 in the morning. I've got to do an inlet down on that very far end of the house. I'm going to do a 50, service all that area, probably the living room, a 40 over here to service these back few rooms and kitchen. First thing I'm going to do is hook my tape measure up. This one's supposed to be a 50, so we'll just run it to the farthest corner. All right, now to get this guy unloaded. And just so everyone knows, this isn't a silly tailgate. It's an amazing tailgate, and I could not love it more. Okay. Nope. This one, and this one. I usually ream 3 or 4 of them before I get too far started, just so I've got fresh pipe. It helps eliminate the up and down the ladder 20 times for a single run. I'm just gonna go from that side up and then over and probably out on the porch and back. All right. I bet you any money. Wait. Shit, I went way too far out of where I was supposed to be. Damn it. Stay. Hit. Piss. All right, let's try that again. But right here. Oh, this is not easy. Perfect. And I left the screwdriver. Ow. Ow. Oh. Go, go, go. There we go. Let's go. Against clock. Against clock. I thought about it. I didn't want to. I've got my cutters back there, and I don't really need a screwdriver while central vacuuming. And I can't see where I'm at again. And do the sketchy thing. You know, the ladder does go up one more rung, but get our pipe, shove it back up through. Miss. Look at that. Dang near almost perfectly straight. If I had a level, I'd put it on it, but I keep setting that thing down somewhere. That's gonna cost me a trip later. Okay. RHS 90. That's garbage. That's still good. And that. Back up the ladder. Another piece. Up and over. And good luck, friend. Shoot, that was a bit on the far side. Overcooked. All right, forgot to film a little bit, but getting this inlet up, and it's more or less just a singular 90 and a straight shot over to the canister. Okay. Well, I needed this. Oh, yeah, that's right, I was over here. T's and Y's. Okay. leave that open and just set all this down here. And because I'd have to move my ladder over there to slide my little cutter here, I got this guy. And this is 100% not the tool for the job at hand, but I have it and I adore it. What in the crap? There we go. Now, let's find my mark, which I have lost in tile. There it is. So about there. Pull this out. But in the meantime, my favorite part. I more or less just follow the pipe to where I'm going, and I throw my wire. That's pretty much it, man. This is pretty fast, pretty simple, and wildly enjoyable. Customer finally came by. It is completed. That is me cleaned up. 2:15, cleaning up. All right, that's the last of it. Everything is tightened down. Yeah, that's good. And finally, time to get out of here.